This creature is living on your face right now, hidden inside your hair follicles. Most of us have no idea it's there. This is a Demodex mite, and today I'm going to show you what it looks like up close through my microscope. Demodex are microscopic mites that live in the hair follicles of mammals. They're tiny, no more than about 1/3 of a millimeter long. They spend their lives in and on our faces. And despite their alien appearance, they're surprisingly common. I actually first encountered Demodex years ago, on my dog. My first golden retriever, Aegis, had a bare patch of fur, and the vet diagnosed it as Demodectic mange. We treated it, he was fine. It was caused by a different species of Demodex that lives on dogs. At the time, I had no idea that similar mites were already living on my face. And when I learned about this, I wanted to see them for myself. Demodex are believed to be more active at night when they can often be found on the surface of the skin. All you need to do is press a bit of Scotch tape on your forehead, nose, and eyebrows, then leave it on overnight. By morning, the tape should capture them. The tape is mounted on a slide, then placed on the microscope. And there it is. Elongated body, stubby legs at the front, and that slow, unsettling wiggle. Demodex folliculorum has 8 legs near the head. It's an arachnid, related to spiders and ticks. It doesn't have eyes or lungs, it breathes through its skin, and it doesn't have an anus. It lives 2 to 4 weeks without going to the bathroom. And even though it's stuck to the tape here, you can still see its legs move and its body twist. Around it, dead skin flakes and oils, its nighttime buffet. That's what it feeds on. It's why it's on your face in the first place. Should we be worried about these things? Well, not really. Almost everyone has Demodex mites on their faces. Most of us just never notice them. They don't usually cause any problems. They may be linked to conditions like rosacea, especially when their numbers get too high. But in most cases, they live their lives without causing any trouble at all. So yes, your face is an ecosystem, and these mites, they're part of it. You can't see them without a microscope, but they've been with you your whole life. Would you ever try to collect your own skin mites? Let me know in the comments if you'd like a full tutorial video. Thanks for joining us on today's look inside the microcosmos. We hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel so you won't miss our next adventure.